You alone cook this one.
Yes.
And then you have to learn how to, kung sa in English na anang pagtimpla doon, mix this ground pork. Jidin Sadbi?
Jaden knows
Hey,
how
Jaden, try.
to do it also.
Try.
No?
Oh.
Nangaut pa,
Here,
nangaut.
come.
Oh, Lola will teach you.
The sun.
The pro will teach you.
Don't broke the break. Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Very good. More. You do, you do Kaning mga, you do like that. Mga ining
Lola.
You make it straight. And then, you have to do like, okay. Piladong.
Lola is teaching Jason and Jaden how to do
Like
lumpia.
that. Make like that. And then, you do like this. Okay, and then, you do like that. You do like this. And then you have to put your finger there in the egg. And then you do like that and then roll. Oh, go.
Roll over.
Roll it. Roll it. Meron sa dayan. Put your finger here.
Put your finger
So that
there.
it will, saan mo, English mo pilit gang.
So it will stick.
So that it will stick. English ng Lola. Ginoo, tabang birhin. Ulit to Jiden.
But this is broke.
Ha? That is broke, so get another one that is not broke. You broke my heart. Okay. Wala. Birada mga apo.
Need to finish.
Away mo na sila ron. Ganihan, nag-bigni mo.
Look, Shane.
Oh,
Shayden.
listen to Jason, listen.
Look,
Oh.
Sophie.
Yes, Yan. I said you do like this, straight. Put more, put more.
Chips too.
Ay ka mo pag-away.
Oh.
Ah. Make it, on sa English, anong hugton gang?
Tight.
You make it tight before you falling down. Okay.
Lola,
You do
ayaw ka
like
nang
this. Roll it. Roll one. Oh, stop. And then you make, on sa English, anong pinon lagi din?
Fold.
You fold every side.
alpha pa.
Yes. And then the other one.
There's that.
Other side, pull over. Okay, and then you roll it, and then put your finger here in the egg. And then you have to, unsay po
Alpha, careful lang, ha?
haplas there in the egg.
It's hot all.
Very good, bravo!
Bravo, Jaden.
Ako yung nabaliktad na ang iyong kumahagoit nga naglambi.
No, this is broken.
Okay.